Today, we are going to discuss the Cambridge reading passage about problems of Europe forests. First 27 to 33 questions are true, false and not given. First question is not given. Next question is, problems in Nordic countries were excluded because they are outside the European Economic Community. Nordic countries में problems शामिल नहीं थी, क्योंकि वो European Economic Community से बाहर की थी. Their initial task was to decide which of the many forest problems of concern to Europe involved the largest number of countries and might be the subject of joint action. Those confined to particular geographical areas, such as countries bordering the Mediterranean or the Nordic countries, therefore had to be discarded. यहाँ तक तो हमें आंसर ट्रू लगता है कि Nordic countries को discard मतलब हटा दिया गया था, पर उसके आगे की statement देखिए. However, this does not mean that in future they will be ignored. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि उन्हें फ्यूचर में भी इग्नोर किया जाएगा. तो इसका आंसर false होगा. Next question is, forests are a renewable source of raw material. Forest raw material के renewable source है. At the same time, forests provide raw materials for human activities through their constantly renewed production of wood. So its answer is true. Next question is, the biological functions of forests were recognized only in the 20th century. Forests के biological functions सिर्फ 20th century में ही पहचाने गए. The economic importance of forests has been understood since the dawn of man, मतलब शुरुआत में wood was the first fuel. The other aspects have been recognized only for a few centuries. Economic importance starting में पहचानी गई, और बाकी एस्पेक्ट्स की इम्पोर्टेंस सिर्फ कुछ सेंचुरीज में रिकॉग्नाइज की गई. तो क्योंकि पर्टिकुलर 20th सेंचुरी की बात नहीं की है, इसलिए इसका आंसर फॉल्स हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, नेचुरल फॉरेस्ट स्टिल एग्जिस्ट इन पार्ट्स ऑफ यूरोप. नेचुरल फॉरेस्ट्स यूरोप के पार्ट्स में अभी भी मौजूद हैं. द मिथ ऑफ द नेचुरल फॉरेस्ट हैज सर्वाइव्ड, येट देयर आर इफेक्टिवली नो रिमेनिंग प्राइमरी फॉरेस्ट्स इन यूरोप. All European forests are artificial. Natural forests का होना सिर्फ एक मिथ है, मतलब झूठी अवधारणा है. यूरोप के सभी फॉरेस्ट आर्टिफिशियल है, तो इसका आंसर फॉल्स होगा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, फॉरेस्ट पॉलिसी शुड बी लिमिटेड बाय नेशनल बाउंड्रीज. नेशनल बाउंड्रीज के द्वारा फॉरेस्ट पॉलिसी को लिमिट किया जाना चाहिए. दिस मीन्स दैट अ फॉरेस्ट पॉलिसी इज वाइटल, that it must transcend national frontiers and generations of people, and that it must allow for the inevitable changes that take place in the forests, in needs, and hence in policy. Forest policy को national boundaries को cross करना चाहिए और इसमें जरूरी बदलाव भी होने चाहिए. तो इसका आंसर false होगा. Next question is, the Strasbourg Conference decided that a forest policy must allow for the possibility of change. स्ट्रासबर्ग कॉन्फ्रेंस ने ये डिसाइड किया कि फॉरेस्ट पॉलिसी को बदलाव करने की परमिशन मिलनी चाहिए. A general declaration was made that a central place in any ecologically coherent forest policy must be given to continuity over time and to the possible effects of unforeseen events, to ensure that the full potential of these forests is maintained. फॉरेस्ट पॉलिसी को कंटिन्यू करना चाहिए और ये पक्का करना चाहिए कि फॉरेस्ट की पूरी पोटेंशियल मेंटेन हो. तो इसका आंसर ट्रू होगा. नेक्स्ट 34 to 39 questions are to match the statements with the appropriate resolution. First is resolution 1. Its matching is J. Information is to be systematically gathered on any decline in the condition of forests. फॉरेस्ट के डिक्लाइन होने की इंफॉर्मेशन सिस्टमैटिकली कलेक्ट होनी चाहिए. The General Declaration was accompanied by 6 detailed resolutions to assist national policy making. The first proposes the extension and systematizations of surveillance sites to monitor forest decline. Next is Resolution 2. Its matching is A. All kinds of species of trees should be preserved. Trees की हर एक species को संरक्षित किया जाना चाहिए. The second resolution concentrates on the need to preserve the genetic diversity of European forests. Next is Resolution 3. Its matching is A. Information on forest fires should be collected and shared. फॉरेस्ट फायर की इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट एंड शेयर होनी चाहिए. Although forest fires do not affect all of Europe to the same extent, the amount of damage caused the experts to propose as the third resolution that the Strasbourg Conference consider the establishment of a European databank on the subjects. Next is Resolution 4. Its matching is B. Fragile mountain forests should be given priority in research programs. Research programs में fragile mountain forests को पहल दी जानी चाहिए. The subject of the fourth resolution discussed by the ministers was mountain forests. In Europe, it is undoubtedly the mountain ecosystem which has changed most rapidly and is most at risk. Next is Resolution 5. Its matching is G. Resources should be allocated to research into tree diseases. Tree diseases की research के लिए साधन दिए जाने चाहिए. The fifth resolution relaunched the European Research Network on the Physiology of Trees, called Eurosilver. Eurosilver should support joint European research on tree diseases and their physiological and biochemical aspects. Each country concerned could increase the number of scholarships and other financial support for doctoral theses and research projects in these areas. Next is Resolution 6. Its matching is D. Research is to be better coordinated throughout Europe. पूरे यूरोप में research अच्छे तरीके से coordinate होनी चाहिए. Finally, the conference established the framework for a European research network on forest ecosystem. Last 40 question is to find out the best title. So title always based on overall passage. तो जो title सबसे ज़्यादा appropriate है वो है B. Plans to protect the forests of Europe. क्योंकि हमने पूरे पैसेज में ये नोटिस किया है कि यूरोप के फॉरेस्ट्स को बचाने के लिए पॉलिसीज एंड रेजोल्यूशंस बनाए गए हैं, तो ये टाइटल बेस्ट सूट करता है. आई होप दिस वीडियो इज बेनिफिशियल टू यू. इफ येस देन प्लीज लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू दिस यूट्यूब चैनल. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.